Hi there, my name is Natalie Carson. I'm a Diamond Wellness Advocate with doTERRA, and today we're going to talk about the AromaTouch technique. I'm going to be showing you the AromaTouch Hand Massage and talk about the benefits of this amazing kit right here called the AromaTouch Technique Kit. You can do AromaTouch technique up and down the spine, on the bottoms of the feet and aromatically, and then you can also do the hand massage, which is sort of like a real condensed version of the AromaTouch technique. So this is a great kit to get started with doTERRA. Inside there is an AromaTouch technique card to show you exactly how to do it, as well as some information here that you can look up online and follow a video. So in the AromaTouch technique, or in the AromaTouch kit, we have balance, which helps bring the body back down to feeling grounded and rooted, helps with anxious feelings and feelings of overwhelm, and then lavender is going to help calm and relax. The next two in the AromaTouch are OnGuard and Melaleuca. OnGuard is a blend of essential oils, including clove and cinnamon to boost the immune system naturally. And then you've got tea tree or Melaleuca essential oil, which also helps with boosting immunity and with different threats that may come on during the seasons. Followed up by that is the Deep Blue and AromaTouch, and these are for minor aches and pains, tension, and any kind of just, feeling stiff. These are actually going to really help calm the body and take away those minor aches and pains. And then at the end, we're going to have wild orange and peppermint drives it all in. And this whole kit right here helps bring the body into a homeostasis, or sort of like a balance. So you're calm and your immune system is boosted, your aches and pains are diminishing, and then you just kind of feel all over good. And that comes with fractionated coconut oil and a diffuser. So this is a great technique and kit to get started with, and it comes with this really great little informational card as well. But now we're going to do the AromaTouch hand massage. It's super easy to do. I'm going to post a link below so you guys can see how to do this from doTERRA. This is my husband Brian scooting in. What's up? And so we're going to do the AromaTouch hand massage, kind of like a quicker version of it, but it should take about 5 minutes. Are you excited about this?
I am. I know they feel great.
Yeah. All right. So usually you let them pick their oil that they would love out of these different oils in the kit. Sometimes people want their immune system boosted. They want to feel calm or grounded. Maybe they have aches or pains and they just want to feel maybe uplifted with some peppermint, or happy with wild orange. Brian, I pre-chose lavender for you. Lavender is what Brian uses for his seasonal threats, and it's also good for aches and pains and calming and grounding, and we all can need that. You can all take that or use that, right? So what you do is you just put a couple drops of essential oil in their hand, just like that, and you welcome and say, hey, hi, how are you? This is lavender essential oil, and I'm actually going to put a couple pumps of fractionated coconut oil in his hand. All right, so we introduce the oil. I don't know if you can see. We introduce the oil. You're going to put it on the palm of the hand, just like that, and then you're going to fold the hand over. You're doing really good with this. And then what we do is you just kind of pull. If you can see here, you just kind of pull the hand like this, and just kind of introduce the oil and say, this is lavender essential oil. You guys, this is such a good thing to do for people. Like, what do you do for people that are in need? Giving the AromaTouch hand technique is good for people that are in a hospital, maybe the elderly, just not knowing, what you're gonna do. Just say, would you like a hand massage? All right, so now we're gonna do these 3 points of the hand, this one, and this one, and you're just gonna actually kind of just massage this. How's that feel?
Great.
How's that pressure?
Perfect.
All right, so you just massage this part of the hand, and you can do this a little longer just for the video so it doesn't keep too long. Like I said, I'm going to put the link below on how to do that. As long as you need to, but you do this area here, and then you massage this area right here. And usually we do this lower, but for the video, we got to go up a little bit higher. So, all right, so these 3 areas, this part here, and then you're going to massage this part right here, which is the middle part. All right, so you would probably do each of those for just about a minute or so each. All right, then you're going to do something called the finger walk. So you're going to start at the end right here, and you're going to walk up the finger all the way to the pinky finger. And you're actually going to do that 3 times each. So now I'm doing the ring finger. By the way, human touch is so powerful, isn't it? Just human touch, just like the little things that we can do just to help other loved ones feel better. So you can kind of walk finger over finger, or you can just kind of squeeze all the way up. My hands are smaller than his, so I'm just squeezing all the way up, and then you come down here and go all the way to the tip of the finger. You're actually going to repeat that finger walk 3 times. I'm just going to do it twice. And You can tell them relax. It's okay. You can relax. So that's called the finger walk. So you go all the way to the end of each finger, and you actually kind of get, you get the aromatherapy in this as well. So this is lavender. It smells like really, really calming. So you're gonna do that finger walk 3 times, right? And then the last thing you're gonna do is you're actually gonna pull the skin in between each of the fingers 3 times. I actually did a lot of fractionated coconut oil here. You don't have to do as much as I did. You just kind of just do whatever you feel would be best. And so you just pull in between each finger 3 times, just like that. How's that feel? Do I get a thumbs up? Yeah. All right, and then you just go like that. Sometimes I rub it up the arm like that. You can do this to the bottoms of the feet as well. And any essential oils that you're putting on topically are actually getting in. So Brian now has these calming effects of lavender that have gotten into his bloodstream, and now they're traveling up into the cells of his entire body, but they're also going into mine as well. So that is the AromaTouch Hand Technique, and then you would repeat, then you would repeat it on the other side. Then you repeat it on the other side. So
it felt so good.
Yeah.
I want both of them.
So that's it, you guys. It's the AromaTouch Hand Technique. It's so simple to do. Bring this kit along with you. You could actually learn how to do this AromaTouch technique. It's not a massage. It's actually an application of the oils up and down the spine, bottoms of the feet, and then some of it actually goes up, and you kind of do a little massage on the ears as well. I've done this to Brian, and he's done this to me, and you literally zonk out afterwards. As a matter of fact, we're due for another one.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so that is a little introduction to the AromaTouch technique, the AromaTouch Hand Massage. And Brian and I actually did a really funny video on the AromaTouch kit and the oils that are in it, so I'll put that link below as well. You guys can sing along with us if you'd like. It was lots of fun. All right, did you enjoy that?
I did.
All right, high five.
Awesome.
That is the AromaTouch technique. Get this kit, a great way to get started. Even if you already have doTERRA, just a great gift to give, and it actually comes with a diffuser where you can diffuse essential oils, use them aromatically from 2, 6, up to 10 hours. So, all right, enjoy guys, have a great day, and get that AromaTouch technique and give this AromaTouch technique to others.